If you could see the world through my eyes, vibrant purple sunrise, shards of broken dreams come raining down.
Mark here, Life and Fitness Files. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with content. Just wanted to touch base regarding Walmart Spark and some recent technical issues that I have been experiencing, and I'm curious if this is something that is local to my area. I'm in Iowa, or if this is something that was happening on the app in a more widespread fashion. I did get some notifications. This was middle of last week saying there's some technical difficulties. Don't log in or something bad can happen, even though I just try not to open the app because I'm automatically logged in. So it wasn't working for a little while. Then I'd get an update saying, okay, it's working. It was really the next day. Okay, and then it still wasn't working great. Then what I was noticing was I picked up an order, a shopping order. Seemed okay. It was a little slow, a little weird. Dropped off that order, and then I was trying to pick up another order. I had a little bit more time, and no go. I was not able to pick up anything, and it would be sending orders like, oh, order available, and then it just said, sorry, we couldn't figure it out. And I was just kind of getting annoyed. I almost gave up. Literally was probably like an hour and a half. So I just was walking around nearby Walmart and kept trying. Finally just tried one more time. I even restarted my phone, all kinds of stuff. Finally it worked. And then when I got into the app, there were like 15 orders, which is very rare for this area. Sometimes I go into a different town because I had better luck there. So there was obviously a lot of orders, and it wasn't just my app, I'm guessing. But I'm curious if this is regional, if it's app specific, person specific. What has been your experience? This is, April 21st. So just to give you some timeline here, are you experiencing these technical difficulties? Is this something that's widespread? Is it happening in other fashions? It really had to do with picking up the orders. They were then adding a bunch of incentives onto the orders that were sitting there, probably because they had so many and it wasn't working well. So obviously they saw the issue. So I'm guessing it wasn't just me. I ended up doing a couple more orders. I didn't have time to do a bunch, although I could have probably spent the rest of the night doing them and would have gotten, some of them had a $3-4 incentive on top of a different incentive that was going on, and the payout had gone up on some of them over time. So definitely could have made that worth my while. I did a couple and they were good, but curious your experience. Have you ever had this happening to you before this time frame, and maybe this happens often? I've only been doing Walmart Spark for several months, but haven't really experienced anything like this. I don't know if they go in, do updates periodically and funky stuff happens. Curious your experience. If you have any questions, make sure to leave those below. If you have other experiences or other things you would like to see, make sure to leave those in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with content. I have other Amazon Flex videos, Walmart Spark videos, nature videos, workout, fitness, health, all kinds of stuff. Make sure to go check those out on my channel. Let me know if there's something else that you want to see. Say hi, leave questions, comments below. Here's to life and fitness. Peace out.
Walking miles in someone else's shoes.